all those fears umejifunza kwa watu na mazingira uliokulia. So you can get rid of that and just move forward. So as I leave the stage, I have a few books that I've come with. I've actually come with one copy of 7 Doors to Personal Greatness. Na kuna wengine ambao wanasema I cannot get to my dreams, sina mtaji. Wapo Umewahi kutana nao Kwa nini hujafanya biashara? Sina mtaji. Kwa hiyo hujaanzisha hiki, sina mtaji. There is a book called Mtaji. I'm an author of over 10 books. Na mwaka huu kuna kitabu kingine ambacho na release kinaitwa Get Connected. The reason why I told you to move around because I wanted you to get connected to another person. Fursa ziko kwa watu, pesa zako ziko kwa watu. So if you don't know how to connect with people, I'm telling you, you'll never get those opportunities. You'll never get that job that you're looking for. You'll never get that dream, because there are some dreams that you cannot fulfill by yourself. So lazima ufanye na watu wengine. And lastly, tarehe 22 tuna masterclass. We have a monthly masterclass. So I would like to give a few offers to some people. Wachache.